What is up, you guys? It's Aisling and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Penneys haul. Please thumbs up this video if you love Penneys hauls because I'll know what to do more of them. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the video and past tense Aisling where I looked a little bit different. Penneys at the moment is not great, I'm not gonna lie, but their jewellery section is bomb.com and I am so living for it. And I have so many things in here jewellery wise, but I'm gonna go through whatever is at the top of this bag first, so it's probably a bit random. The first thing is this skirt. Now, I wore this skirt in Rome and I could only find it in Mary Street Penneys. No, I got this in Blanchardstown Penneys, but then I saw it in Mary Street Penneys and now it is everywhere. It is this gorgeous, beautiful skirt that has a slit up the front. As you can see there, it is very, very long. It's long, but not too long. And I'll insert a picture of me wearing it. I'm 5'4", thereabouts, and like 5'3.5", but I say I'm 5'4" because it just sounds better. And it's not too long on me. I got this in a size 6 and it was €14 and I absolutely loved it. Now, I would say that I wore it, like I said, in Rome. Possibly not the best weather to be wearing it in because I was a teeny bit cool in it. It'll definitely get more use during the summer months. The next thing that I got in Penneys was this shirt. Now, I wore this shirt already and it's just this gorgeous satin shirt that has like a pulley tie just here and it kind of like cinches it up. I absolutely adore this shirt. Like, it's one of my favorite purchases from Penneys. I got it again in a size 6 and guys, wait till I tell you the price of this. I still saw them in Mary Street Penneys and I think, did I see them in Dundrum as well? So they're still in store, but I picked this up for €5 I think it was, down from 14. Oh my god, guys, go get it now. Just run in and get it now because it is so gorgeous. And I've worn it to death already. Wear it with jeans, I've worn it with a skirt, a leather skirt. I've worn it with plain jeans, I've worn it with leather jeans. I wear it a lot. I'm probably wearing it out, but I just think it's really pretty. And it doesn't look necessarily like something from Penneys. I know that sounds real shady. Sometimes I see things in Penneys and I'm like, it looks a bit cheap and quality's not great. Whereas those two products in particular, they're amazing. This next thing I have not worn yet. My boyfriend actually picked this out for me. He was like, you need that. That is so you. Like, get it right now. And it is a trench. I got the size 8 because when I tried on the size 6, it just kind of fit and it just looked fine, but I wanted it a little bit more baggy. It was only €25, guys, and I tell you the quality of this is like amazing. It is heavy, but it's not too heavy to the state where I'm like going to be boiling to death in it during the summer, but it will keep me a little bit warmer in the winter if I put it over like a jumper or over like a hoodie even you could wear underneath this. I absolutely love it. It's long and it has pockets in the side. There's a couple of touches on this trench coat that just makes it a little bit more on the expensive side, or like it looks like I may have spent €50+ on it. And that is just the buttons are gorgeous on it. They unbutton as well in the pockets and they have like little details on the sleeve. I just really like the color of it too, and the belt of it is just really nice as well. I absolutely love this and it looks so pretty on. It's kind of like this khaki greeny kind of color. It's not it's like a taupe color, that's what I would say, but it's like it kind of looks a little bit green sometimes to me. I need to get wearing that because it's just gorgeous. I picked up a hairband. This was €4. I wore this I think in Rome as well. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure how I feel about these headbands, guys. I know they're like all a vibe right now, but I just don't really know if I can pull them off. I think they look funny on me, or I don't know, I think it's just my hair, the way I have like a side fringe and stuff, and I'll never not have a side fringe because I have like a 5 head, so I like to have a bit of a side fringe. But I'm not sure if they look well on me per se. I've seen people with like middle splits, let's say. Let's try and do a middle split. And they wear the headbands and they look really nice on them. Like that looks a teeny bit better, but I just feel like for myself, my cow's lick kind of like just won't allow it. It just looks awful. You can see that like great little cow's lick there. And if this just would sit down, then maybe my hair would look a bit better with it. But I don't know. I just don't know if I can pull them off. Do you guys wear these headbands? What do you think of them on you? I am not sure about me wearing them per se. They remind me as well of when I was a little kid. My mum used to always put little headbands on me when I was younger. Very 90s. But yeah, I picked it up thinking I could pull it off, and I'm not really sure. Picked up some lashes. Wow, I nearly threw that one. Picked up some lashes. The 3D Vixen lashes, favorite lashes ever. Wearing them right now. I have like 15 backup pairs. Every time I go into Penneys, I buy a pair of these. They're just amazing. And then the 3D iconic lashes. I really like these also, but I'm definitely vibing more with the Vixen. They're just great. But they're €3 a pair, so you can't really go wrong with them. And get ready for a lot of jewellery right now. So I'm very much into earrings at the moment, guys. And I love my mix of silver and gold. So I got a silver pack of these little hoops. They're really, really small. I always was a hoop wearer. Always. Always. And then I started wearing studs like when I was in, like, I don't know, college or maybe after college, and I just never stopped wearing studs then for years, and now I'm like back into the hoop game, loving it. But I love these little silver hoops. They come in like loads of different shapes and they're just great for me. I have like my earlobes pierced twice and I put them in the second hole sometimes, or up at the top here. I just really like them. They do tarnish, obviously they're Penneys, but like they're not that bad. Then I picked up a pack of gold studs. There's so many gold studs on this. I have like the moon one in this ear. I have a little round one up there. I love these studs because they're just real handy. They're great to like stick in my second earlobe piercing, and I just really like them. And like I said, Penneys earrings are great because they're affordable. And all those like cheapy kind of earrings tarnish anyway, like Topshop or H&M or whatever. They all kind of tarnish, so I may as well spend €4 on them than spend like 15 or 20 on them. They're all going to tarnish the same. Picked up another pack of silver. These have like crosses in them and triangles and loads of different little silver earrings, because sometimes I feel like silver and sometimes I feel like gold. Currently I'm feeling a bit of a gold vibe because I'm wearing my nanny's chain, and then I have this little amulet on it. The next pair of earrings are these ones here, and they're hoops and they have little pearls on them, and I really like them, but they are quite heavy, so I tend to not put them in my first earlobe hole because it can kind of like drag down my ears, so I put them in the second one. Anyway, that's a strange description. And then I have all these like miniature little gold hoops. I haven't worn any of these yet. These are €3. That last set was €2. And then these ones I wear quite a lot. There's a 3-pack in here for €3. So I've worn the first pair loads, the second pair in my ears right now, and then the third pair just a plain gold pair. Lots of earrings. I went ham, like I said, when I was in Penneys. At the end of January, I was like, oh my god, there's so many hoop earrings. I need them all. I'm going to open the blinds, let in a bit of light. It's gone very dark in here. Better. It has not stopped snowing all day, and it's just like overcast, snowing. Then the sun comes out. So I'm sorry, like the lighting is going to be all over the shop. I purchased a beanie hat. I haven't worn this yet. This was €3. And I thought that I could pull a beanie off, but I really don't think I can. Like, I don't know. Does that look horrible on me? Yeah, probably. I think it actually does. I think it's just, oh, I don't know, it's not my style. Again, I think it's the thing with the fringe, the fact that I have a side fringe, it just looks awful. And my head is just, I don't know, it's just not suitable for a beanie, I don't think. So I picked this up and like, oh yeah, I could totally wear a beanie. No, I don't think I can pull off a beanie at all. I think it like squashes my head down or something. What is the story? Maybe like, again, if I had like a side or a middle parting, it might look a bit better. I just feel like it looks awful on me. I purchased this because I needed a hat one day, and I took it, like I was in town and I was freezing, and I took the tags off it straight away and wore it, and then when I got home I was like, oh my god, wow, was I going around looking like this? So I don't know why I purchased this. I really don't, because I don't think it looks good on me at all. So Penneys have brought out new active wear, and I'm super excited about it because these are squat proof. I wore these out on a run, like I've worn them a few times now. These are what the bottoms look like. So they're what you would call camo, and they're grey camo. I love these, and they kind of like cinch in the waist as well. The size I got was 6 to 8, and they were, let me see, €8 for the bottoms, and they were the best €8 I think I've spent on a pair of workout pants in a long time, because they were really, actually they weren't €8, they were €10, and they're just great quality. They're thick but not too thick. Now I do feel in the summer months these are probably going to be too thick for me to go on a run with, because I just feel like I will be very warm in them. I like to wear shorter workout pants when I run in the summer months, but in the winter months, especially outdoors, these are great because they are just a little bit thicker, which is what makes them squat proof. So I got them, And then I also picked up the little sports bra that goes with it. Again, it's winter. I wouldn't really wear the sports bra on its own, but in the summer months I would wear this on its own, especially to yoga or something like that. The top of this was €8, I believe. You have to double checking because I did take a picture of them. The bottoms were 12, so they're kind of expensive, but I guess like you can't really go wrong with €12. It's not crazy. We're not up at Gymshark prices there, but they are kind of expensive for Penneys, but the quality of them is amazing and definitely worth it. So the top I absolutely love for €8, the bottom's 12, so €20 for the set. I don't know, it depends on if you're willing to spend that on Penneys workout gear. In my opinion, they were worth every cent. We're getting down to like the boring kind of stuff in here. I picked up a loofah set. Always have loofahs in the shower, like they're just what I wash my body with. Some people prefer sponges. I like a good loofah. So these loofahs are $1.50 for the pair, and like I buy these quite regularly because I throw them out. I didn't actually realize you can throw these in the washing machine. My boyfriend's mum told me that. She was like, don't like keep purchasing them, you can throw them into the washing machine. And I was like, oh my god, that's what a wonderful gift to know that you can do that. So next up I have this like a little cutesy Milkmaid Style top. This is so pretty. Like it's kind of like self-explanatory. I don't need to like try it on or anything like that. It's €8, which I was absolutely delighted to get it for €8 because I know this sounds again a bit shady, but Penneys prices have gone up. Like we've seen that with the workout clothes. They're quite expensive these days for just basic clothes, and this was only €8, which I was pleasantly surprised. I picked it up in a size 8 because there was no other sizes, and I was very thankful actually when I got home and tried this on that I got a size 8, because the size 6 would have been wedged on me. The size 8 was not giving my boobies much room to breathe as it was. It is a gorgeous little top. It has little daisies on it. It's quite like a nice transition piece from the, we'll say, kind of depths of winter. I mean, I'm looking at a blanket of snow out there, which is just destroying my lighting situation here, but it's kind of a nice transition piece from the winter into spring, I think. Then I picked up these little crop tops. I absolutely adore these. I wear these underneath, like we'll say either see-through tops, or you know those like chiffon-y kind of sleeve tops that are just kind of like, it looks like you're bare underneath, so you need something. I picked up a black one, and it's like this, and it's a v-neck, and it's ripped, and they're quite tight. They bring out new ones of these every single year, which are great because it's like cropped and it's like tied onto your body. Last year they didn't have this ribbed one, they just had like a plain one, and there was lace all around the bottom. You wouldn't have really noticed it that much if you're wearing it underneath the top or whatever. And I just really like these. They're so handy. You get these in the pajama section of Penneys, not in the regular clothing section. They're $3.50, so I picked up a black one, which I should have got 2 of them because I wear a lot of them. Oh well. And I picked up a white, and that's just what the white one looks like. Again, they're really cute, really handy. The only thing I will say about them is they don't wash the best. Like you will get maybe like a season out of them, so I usually, if I am wearing them, I will probably have to repurchase them again. Anyway, I'm going to move on to the last things, which are makeup remover wipes. These are the Gently Does It makeup removers. Makeup remover wipes. I talked briefly about these in my miscellaneous hits of 2019, that I love these. I brought them to festivals and concerts and everything. They were just really great if you were after going to the bathroom, and obviously there was no sinks or anything to wash your hands in, so I used this and hand sanitizer and stuff. Also, like if you just, like there was muck everywhere. I went to Mumford & Sons and it was just so mucky, so just in case you like get muck splashed into your face, they're really handy to use. I mean, they're self-explanatory. They're a wipe. I don't like using wipes on my skin because they dry out my skin, and I don't like using too many wipes because I just feel like they're really bad for the environment. But every now and again you kind of have to use them, and I know there's other options, but they're not the greatest for the environment, so I don't like buying too many of them. But I probably repurchase these every couple of months, so I'm not like a massive overuser of them, but still, I know, not good. Oh, there's another pair of lashes in here. 3D Vixens. Can't go wrong. I have them on my eyes. Did I mention that already? Just in case you guys are wondering, they're amazing. And then the final thing is the Biphase eye makeup remover, which I really like. This eye makeup remover, it's super affordable. It's €2. Can't really go wrong. The only thing I will say about it is the green one was better. So they had like a green one, which is exactly the same thing, Biphase. You shake it up, use it to remove your eye makeup or lip product. In particular, it was great for the lips because it just removed everything off my lips. and gently, because my lips are gone a bit cracked and gross at the moment. So something gentle on them is great. It's a hydrating vitamin E and organic rose. The other bottle of this came in like a green turquoise bottle. It was just so good. I had one bottle left in there for the last ages and I was using it really sparingly because you can't get it anymore. They've changed to this one. Don't know why. Maybe it's better ingredients. I'm not really sure. But the other one was bomb. It left no slippery kind of oily effect, whereas this leaves a little bit of a greasy feeling to the mouth, to the eyes. Not gonna lie, it still does the exact same thing. I just prefer the turquoise one, but we can't get it anymore, so we got to do with this one. But it is a really great product and it lasts forever. I probably go through this one bottle every 3-4 months, which is not too bad because I only use it, I suppose, on my eyes and lips, so I mean, you get a bit out of it. So that is everything today, guys. I'm super sorry about the lighting. I can't apologize enough for it. There's nothing I can do. I use natural lighting. I could have used my ring light, but to be honest, I thought I would get like okay lighting for this whole video, but clearly not. I just hope it wasn't too distracting. At least it wasn't like a makeup tutorial, so you kind of like see the clothes anyway. That's enough for me today. If you did enjoy today's video, thumbs it up. Really appreciate it. Subscribe if you're not already. I would love that. And I will talk to all of you in my next video. If there's anything you want to see, don't forget, hit me up with requests. Talk to you then. Mwah. Bye.